Looking for practice resources for the CogAT 4th grade test? Preparing for the test may seem overwhelming at first, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and regular practice, your child can tackle the test with confidence. In this video, we'll walk you through the test format and share sample questions from all 9 sections to help your child feel ready and self-assured. So, let's get started! Before diving into the sample questions, let's take a moment to understand how the test is organized. The CogAT is structured into 3 main batteries: nonverbal, quantitative, and verbal. Each battery is further divided into 3 subtests, totaling 9 sections. Here's a quick breakdown to give you a clear picture of what to expect. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to solve some practice questions. Invite your child to join in for a fun and interactive learning experience. The first subtest we'll cover is figure matrices, which is part of the nonverbal battery. The following question has 3 figures. The first 2 figures in the top row go together. The third figure in the bottom row goes with one of the answer choices. Choose the answer choice that goes with the third figure. You can pause the video to examine it carefully. In this question, all shapes move from the original position by making 1/4 a rotation clockwise. The gray shapes become white and vice versa. The once gray, now white shapes make 1/4 a rotation anti-clockwise around themselves, while the once white, now gray, shapes flip vertically. The only figure that fits this description is option 3. Therefore, the correct answer is 3. The next subtest is figure classification. In this question, the first 3 figures are alike in some way. Choose the figure from the answer choices that goes with the first 3 figures. In this question, we can see that the number of dots in each figure equals the number of corners. The shading of each figure is different from each other. Options A, C, and E can be eliminated as the number of dots is not equal to the number of the shape's corners. Option D can be eliminated as the shape's shading is already used in the top figure. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. The final subtest in this nonverbal battery is paper folding. This question shows a paper folded several times and then punched with holes. The answer choices contain unfolded papers with punched-in holes. You need to determine which of the answer choices is the final product of the unfolded punched-in paper. First, the square was folded vertically in half from top to bottom. Then, the remaining half square was refolded horizontally in 2/4 from left to right. Then, 1 hole was punched at the bottom right quarter figure that remained. Since the paper was folded in half twice, the holes were cut through 4 layers of paper. Therefore, when the paper is unfolded, it will have 4 holes. Since the paper was folded in half twice, all holes are mirrored both horizontally and vertically. This means the horizontal and vertical creases act as mirrors for the shapes. Therefore, there will be 4 diagonal shapes, 1 in each figure part. The orientation will be inwards. The only figure in the option that fits this description is the 5th one. Paper folding questions might seem tricky, but with practice, they'll become second nature. Remember, attention to detail is key here. Help your child visualize the steps, even with an actual piece of paper, and the answers will unfold naturally. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support lets us create more resources to help your child excel. All right, let's move on to the next battery of the test, the quantitative battery. The first subtest on this battery is number analogies. This question shows 2 pairs of numbers with a certain mathematical connection and another number that shares that connection with one of the answer choices. Find the missing number for the third pair. The number on the right side is obtained by dividing the number on the left side by 2 and then adding 4 to the answer. Therefore, the correct answer is 22. The next subtest in this battery is called number series. This question shows a series of numbers that have a rule. Use the rule to determine which number will come next in the series. In the series, the next number is obtained by adding 9 in the first turn, 8 in the second, 7 in the third, and so on. So the correct answer is 41. The final subtest in this battery is number puzzles. In this question, you are given an equation with a missing number, indicated with a question mark. You must solve the equation to determine what number should replace the question mark. We need to find the missing number that, when added to 7, equals the result of 20 divided by the diamond shape. Step 1. Solve for the diamond shape. We are given that. To find the value of the diamond shape, we subtract 3 from 5. So, the diamond shape equals 2. Step 2. Solve for the missing number. Now that we know that the diamond shape equals 2, we can substitute that into the first equation. First, we perform the division. Now the equation looks like this. To find the missing number, we subtract 7 from 10. So, the missing number is 3. Number puzzles are all about understanding the relationship between numbers. Encourage your child to practice breaking down problems step by step. It's a great way to boost confidence and problem-solving skills. If you're looking for more ways to help your child succeed, check our comprehensive practice package, linked in the description and pinned comment below. It's filled with realistic simulations and targeted drills to ensure your child feels confident and ready for test day. Now, let's move on to the last battery of the 4th grade CogAT test, the verbal battery. The first subtest in this battery is called verbal analogies. This question shows a pair of words that go together in a certain way, and a third word. Choose a word from the answer choices that goes together with the third word in the same way. The correct answer is seeds. A chicken originates from an egg. An apple originates from seeds. In this case, the second word is the origin of the first word. The next subtest we'll cover is sentence completion. In this question, you need to choose the words from the answer choices that best complete the sentence. This vast nation greatly benefits from its main blank, which provides a reliable water source to all regions and supports the development of blank agriculture. The sentence describes a natural source of water that benefits the country, so lake and flourishing are the most logical choices. All right, now we arrived at the final subtest of the test, which is called verbal classification. This question provides 3 words that are alike in some way. Decide how they are alike, and choose the word that belongs in the same group as the first 3 words. The correct answer is oats. Grass, hay, grain, and oats are all items that cattle and livestock might eat. Amazing job working through these practice questions. By making practice a regular habit, you're giving your child the tools they need to excel. And if you'd like to take things to the next level, get our CogAT 4th grade practice package, which includes 27 tests and hundreds of questions designed to build skills and confidence. Find all the details in the description and pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to support more helpful resources for families like yours. Every small step you take today sets the stage for your child's success tomorrow. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next video.